is, what about those people who are not fluent in reciting the Quran in Arabic and struggle to recite the Quran as it should be recited with all the tajweed and makhraj, etc.? Could you give some advice to that person?
As far as the person who struggles to recite the Quran and doesn't have proper tajweed and he has difficulties, our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, it's mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 1, in the book of Salah, hadith number 1745, the beloved Prophet said that anyone who recites the Quran fluently, proper tajweed, etc., the angels, they'll be with him. But a person who falters and struggles to recite the Quran, he will get double reward. And the explanation is given that one, for reciting the Quran, and second, for struggling. So a person who cannot recite the Quran correctly and yet he continues and struggles and reads, inshallah, he'll get double reward. So this is Islam, mashallah. The more he struggles, the more reward he'll get, inshallah.